Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see who added you on Yubo using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Yubo app. And now you want to click on the Friends button at the lower part of your screen. And here you can see the friend requests section. Okay, so here when you click on view, just need to get the power pack. Okay, so if you don't want that, just go ahead and go back, and here at the friends request, this is where you can see who added you on this application. Okay, so that's it. That is how you see who added you on Yubo. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.